Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to verify a message in Sparrow Wallet. Bitcoin allows users to sign and verify messages using a Bitcoin address. Message verification is useful when someone claims ownership of a Bitcoin address and you want to prove that a message was signed by the private key of that address and you're confirming authenticity without sending Bitcoin. And Sparrow makes this process simple. First, you need to launch your Sparrow on your PC. On the search bar, type down Sparrow and select to this open here and open any of the wallet from here and select create. And you do not need to open a specific wallet to verify a message. After that, once you get into this Sparrow interface, at the top menu you can find these tools here just beside the view. What you can do is select to this sign or the verify message here and select to the address, message and the signature. And the signature you can also select to the format, standard, VIP or any of it. And after you're done, you can select to this done. And after entering all these three fields, you can select to this done. And if valid, Sparrow will show that the signature valid. If invalid, it will show verification failed. And this means the signature does not match the address, the message was altered or the signature is incorrect. And you will successfully verify a signed Bitcoin message in the Sparrow Wallet. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out for you very soon.